You're in the cereal aisle. Your 4-year-old wanted the blue box, you picked up the blue box, and somehow, it was the wrong blue box. If you've ever whispered please, not here, not now, this one's for you. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Telling a melting down child to calm down is basically the least effective phrase in the English language. It's like asking a boiling kettle to please stop steaming. When little bodies flip into fight or flight, the thinking part of their brain goes quiet. So reasoning doesn't land. Logic doesn't land. And you're left standing there, feeling every eye in aisle 6. So what actually works? First, you're calm. Your steady breath is the anchor their nervous system is looking for. Second, their body. A hand on the chest, a squeeze, a quiet corner, a slow breath together. And third, stories. Not in the middle of the meltdown. Before. Days before. Weeks before. Because when children hear about a character who felt something huge and found a way through, they tuck that away. And later, in the storm, they reach for it. Neuroscientists call it co-regulation through narrative. Parents call it the thing that finally worked. That's really the heart of what we do at Pibblio. Our little characters feel the big feelings your child feels. The frustration, the overwhelm, the tears that come out of nowhere. And they find their way to a calm body, gently, without a single lecture. It gives you and your child a shared language for the hard moments, long before the hard moments arrive. You're doing beautifully, even in the cereal aisle. Especially in the cereal aisle. Come find your next bedtime story at pibblio.com.